So in this video we're going to go over a periodic function. A periodic function is a step function that just keeps repeating. In this example we're given a piecewise function that represents it, has a period of 2, and we want to find the Laplace transform of this periodic function. So to find the Laplace transform of a periodic function we need a formula, and the formula is the Laplace transform of the first window divided by 1 minus e to the negative st, represented by this formula. And I just took the liberty to draw this graph really roughly, and it's just a triangle that keeps repeating. So the first thing you need to do is take the Laplace transform of the first window, which is just this piecewise it gave us. So I did that here. So you have the function 4t distributed to u times t minus the leftmost interval, which is 0, minus u t minus the rightmost interval, which is 1, plus the second function value, 4 minus 4t, distributed to u t minus the leftmost interval, which is 1, minus u t minus the rightmost interval, which is 2. When you distribute that, you have two terms that have u t minus 1. So you end up with a 4t ut plus negative 8t plus 4t ut minus 1 minus 4 minus 4t ut minus 2. That's our step function. But now we have to take the Laplace transform of that. And if you remember, it's this formula, the Laplace transform of a step function is equal to e to the negative s tau, where tau represents the number being subtracted from t, times the Laplace transform of g of t plus tau. Well, here it's easy because tau is 0, so we have e to the negative 0, which is just 1. And t plus tau is just t plus 0, so the Laplace transform of this step function is the Laplace transform of 4t, which is just 4 over s squared. Okay, so now let's take the Laplace transform of this one. So we have plus. Tau here is equal to negative 1, so we're going to have e to the negative s distributed to negative 8. That's distributed to t plus tau. Tau is 1, so it's t plus 1. Plus 4. Minus, and it's the Laplace transform of this function. Minus e to the negative 2s times, again I forgot that Laplace transform symbol. Laplace transform of 4 minus 4 plus, 4 distributed to t plus 2. Kind of ran out of room there, but it'll make sense down here. So we have 4 over s squared. When we distribute that negative 8, we're going to get plus e to the negative s, negative 8 over s squared, minus 8, or 4, because minus 8 plus 4 is negative 4, so minus 4 over s. And then here we're going to get negative e to the negative 2s, negative 4t, so negative 4 over s squared, minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4 over s. That's just distributing that negative 4. And then that's the Laplace transform of the first window. So now the only thing left to do is divide it by 1 minus e to the negative t represents the period in this formula. Once again, t represents the period. Well, we have a period of 2, so it will be e to the negative 2s. And that will represent the Laplace transform of this periodic function. This video should help you with number 23 as well. As number 23, in this one we had a triangle wave, and in 23 we just have a line that repeats. So kind of like this. It'll make more sense when you look at them side by side, but this should help you for these two problems, and just let me know if you need any help.